Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying version and enabling frame display so you see exact timing. This reduces guesswork. Next, equip the light blade with a 0.5 weight modifier and stability grip to lower swing inertia. Once done, set inputs to advanced so you can buffer micro adjustments. This lets you cancel unwanted momentum. Finally, position in a neutral stance and practice one controlled swing to confirm settings respond. That initial adjustment is critical to reach continuity 0. You now focus on timing. Watch the frame display and identify the cancel window where motion momentum can be neutralized. Once located, practice applying small counter rotations 3 to 5 frames before impact. This trims residual velocity. Make sure to buffer directional input about 1/4 second before your swing so the engine reads the neutral hold. As you repeat, reduce input magnitude until motion locks at 0. This is why precise, minimal corrections beat large corrections. You finish by locking continuity 0. After your cancel, hold neutral for about 0.3 to 0.5 seconds so the physics engine registers 0 momentum. Then test with slow swings and gradually increase speed to ensure the 0 holds under different forces. If drift persists, recalibrate your controller dead zone to 2 to 4% and repeat the sequence. This removes tiny analog noise. One troubleshooting tip: if locking fails repeatedly, lower blade weight by 0.1 and repeat the timed cancels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.